Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manually set the date and time on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, in here, you want to go down and tap on Date and Time. Then we go down and make sure you turn off Automatic Date and Time. This will allow you to manually set the date and set the time. So to change the time, tap on Set Time. So let's say if you normally like to have your clock runs ahead of time, say 10 minutes, we can set it to 10:33 or 32 and then tap on Done. So now my clock is 10 minutes ahead of time, so that in case if I go to a meeting late, or if you normally catch the bus late, you want to set the time a little bit ahead so that you don't get there late and you'll always be there on time. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.